In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the interface to a darker look on Windows and what to expect when you're using OneNote in your browser. I'll keep things simple, point out what changes and what doesn't, and share a quick tip for making your pages easier on the eyes at night. If you're on Windows using OneNote for Microsoft 365 or OneNote 2016, turning on dark mode is quick and built right into the app. Start by opening OneNote. At the top left, go to File, then choose Options. This opens the OneNote Options window, and you'll land on the General tab. Look for the setting labeled Office Theme. This controls the overall look of the OneNote interface. Open the drop-down and select Black. That's Microsoft's full dark theme, designed to give you a deep, high-contrast appearance across the app. Once you've chosen Black, click OK to apply it. You should see the interface switch immediately. The ribbon, menus, navigation pane, and other UI elements switch to darker colors that are easier on your eyes, especially in low light. This is great for reducing glare and can help minimize visual fatigue during long note-taking sessions. Keep in mind that this theme focuses on the app's interface. It doesn't automatically recolor everything inside your notes, and content like inserted images or certain formatting will remain as is. If your note pages still appear bright, you can make them more comfortable without changing the entire theme of your documents. Head to the View tab and choose Page Color. From there, select a darker background for the page itself. This is a quick way to tone down the brightness of individual pages while keeping your text readable. It's especially helpful for late-night review sessions or when you're sharing a screen and want a softer background. Now, a quick note for OneNote on the web. OneNote for Web doesn't currently include a dedicated dark mode toggle. Instead, it typically follows your browser or system theme. So if your browser is set to use a dark theme, OneNote Online will usually reflect that. If you want a darker experience regardless of your browser theme, you can use a tool like the Dark Reader browser extension to force a dark look. Just remember that third-party tools can sometimes change how certain pages or colors appear. That's it. You've seen how to enable dark mode on Windows and what to expect in the browser, plus a simple way to darken your pages. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the more comfortable OneNote experience.